And take control.
Approaching minimum.
You have control. Disconnect the auto throttle too. Good.
200.
And follow that center line all the time.
Minimums.
Straight in. Correct that. Yep. Good. 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 Good.
100.
Good. Throttle down.
50. 40. 30.
Down.
20.
Retard.
10.
Not too much. See? Wait. Now that's a touchdown. Reverses 2 clicks. 1. Well, not that much. Yoke forward and hold. Reverses down. Very good. Very good.
Kind of floated there.
And I want to end it with this. Watch. Yeah. That was good. So I'm going to put something really hard. Watch. First of all, we're switching to nighttime. Then, no visibility.
Okay.
Okay? That means we're gonna rely on instruments entirely. Let's talk about it for a second. Now, remember that voice that was reading out loud,
Yeah.
500, 400,
Yeah.
300. It also says at some point, it says this, approaching to minimum, and then minimum. Wait. It doesn't really matter where we go, you're not gonna see much. So, I'm just gonna put it back to Boston, that's all, okay? You're gonna use runway 4 right. And talk about it a little more. Anyway, as I said, it's going to say at some point approaching the minimum and then minimum. The minimum is the point where you must see the runway, and if you're not, you cannot land. You got to go around or go to your alternate airport, or give it a second shot. Depends where air traffic control will tell you. Now, what I said, what I'm going to set now is going to be what we call Category 1. Category 1 is sound visibility, anything around 100 to 200 feet above. Beside that, everything above it is going to be fog. You're not going to see anything. So we're going to follow the instruments all the time. But once you see the runway lights, then you can disconnect the autopilot and do your landing.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
If you don't see the lights, we have to go around. Going around means hitting that button again. We call it toga. See what it says here?
Yeah.
Toga, that stands for take off, go around. What it's doing then is kind of pushing the throttle all the way forward and make the airplane act as it is taking off again. Now this is nighttime. See, we're back in Logan, by the way, back to Boston, right? You can see a lot. Well, the runway is here
Yeah.
already. See the lights there?
Yeah.
That's the runway. Downtown Boston is kind of here, but that's not the visibility I wanted. So it's gonna be now like something like this.
Okay. Oh boy.
We're in a dense and heavy fog. That's what we have. We will start with this again, we reset that, this one here, and this one here, and this one here. This goes up. Give me 5.
Airspeed low.
5
Airspeed
seconds.
low.
Wait a bit. That's what it looks like in real life too. You feel like you're not moving or anything.
Can you silence this?
Okay, Captain, are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Landing lights, turn them on. Want you also to turn on the runway turn-off lights and taxi light. Yep. Engine start switches to continuous. And tell right now, everybody, sit down. Tell them.
Oh.
Yep.
Sorry,
Did
no.
you? Like this.
Oh, okay. That's sit down.
Speed 180. Good. Flaps 1. Auto brake 3. Arm the speed brake. Good. Oh, we have these two here. You want to see them reaching the center, and then we're going to start descending. I want you to put already your final speed now. Your final speed is 148. Start descending, in the approach. Turn on the second autopilot. Flaps 10. Gear down. Verify 3 greens. We have 10 miles
greens.
more to go. 3 greens, check. Flaps 15. Flaps 25. Flap 30. Now the checklist. Lights.
Check.
And check, we say together this time because of no visibility.
Okay.
Engine start switches.
10.
Continuous.
Continuous.
Continuous. Crew notified.
Notified.
Landing speed 148.
148.
And verified.
Verified.
Runway heading is 035. And verified.
Verified.
Missed approach altitude 3000.
3000.
Second autopilot is on.
Yep.
Good. Moving down. Speed brake. Auto brake 3.
All right, 3.
Flaps 30. 30. Green. Gear down. 3 greens. Right? Now this radio 161 on my side. What do you have?
Where you see that?
161. Altimeter 299.2. 299.2. Landing checklist is complete. We're gonna turn off the lights inside now, like this. We're gonna turn off this display down here, like this. And the last thing we do, well, we got the lights from this part here, but try to find the runway lights. If you see them, take control. If not, you're gonna go around.
This is the go around button?
This is go around button.
Oh, okay. Now, do I still have to, like, control it, or does it just take it?
We're gonna take control by disconnecting the autopilot, and you do the landing once you see the lights, okay?
If we go around, though, will it just...
If we go around, follow those 2 lines there. They're gonna take you all the way around.
1,000.
Okay, we're right on track. I can see that the 2 pink diamonds are straight here. We're good, but no visuals yet on the runway. Then we got 2.5 miles to go. Anything?
Nope.
Keep looking. I'm gonna move out. Runway lights. That's what we care about. Well, 500 already. Any lights?
Nope.
500.
Keep looking. Hold the yoke. I'm holding the throttle just in case.
400.
Look for lights.
No.
300. Any lights?
300. Approaching minimum.
Approaching. No, he didn't do that. He said just approaching.
200.
Oh, but, like...
There's your lights. See the lights?
Minimum.
Now you're on it. Go ahead.
100.
Follow that center line.
50. 40.
Good.
30. 20.
Flare.
10.
That's it. Wait. And touchdown. Reverses 2 clicks up. One more. Yoke forward. still see the red light? Do you know what that means? That's the end of the runway.
You're at the end.
Wait, what?
That's the end of the runway.
Made it.
Wait, what is?
And reverses down.
The red lights mean you're at the end.
Yeah, well, the red lights here represent the end of the runway. So that's why I put it on max all the way, so we can stop a little faster. But, we made it.
I know.
United Air at 10:30, clear the runway. We're gonna exit this time to the green lights. That's what I want you to follow. Wait. Before rolling, turn this two only off. Engine start switch is off. See that red blinking light? Turn it off. Take the flaps all the way up. Down under, up again. Auto brake, turn it off. Push the throttle a little forward. It's gonna retract the speed brake for us. Control the tiller, follow the green lights and turn left. Stay on the center, don't turn yet. There is one just behind us. Let's see it out here. Slow down a bit. We're going too fast. And start turning to the left.